Hey, this is Rick from Hiking Emergency Beacon, and I have another tip for you today. And it's if your device starts to act up a little bit. But before I tell you this little tip, please like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as I put out new videos. I've had my Mini 2, my 66i act up several times on me. And the reason they're acting up is because I'm out here testing in this one area a lot. So I'm navigating, I'm tracking, I'm messaging, and I'm tracking different ways, navigating different ways. I'm creating routes, I'm creating courses. And so a lot of things are happening here, and I do my best to clear those activities on my device, and then at home on the Garmin Explorer page, I do my best to clear all that out. But sometimes it doesn't work, and then things will start acting up. And there's another reason it'll act up. If you switch back and forth between devices, or you go from an old device to a new device, sometimes there'll be issues there. And I'm switching back and forth between devices all the time. So if something happens and you just can't clear it, then you want to go and restore your factory settings. And I'm going to show you real quick. You'll have screenshots up of all this. But you go into your menu, and then you go down to settings. And then under settings, you go down to system. And under system, then go down, I know it takes a long time to get through these, but that's why I'm here to show you. Then you go down to reset device. Now, under reset device, you have two options. Reset default settings, and then there's delete data and reset settings. Now, I'm not going to do it right now, but I've done it several times already on other devices and on this one too. And that actually cleared things up. I was not able to message yesterday, and when I did this, because I had switched back and forth between devices, it cleared it, and I was able to message after that. Another situation was going on. I was tracking. It was seeing tracks from 20 miles away, from 5 miles away, and so it was going way out to where I had just gone a half mile or less here. It was going 5 to 20 miles out, and so it had the very large area, and it wasn't very helpful. So again, selecting reset on the device helped me a lot there. Just remember this tip, because Garmin tech support is really good. Their customer service is, every time I've called, they've been really sharp. They've always been able to help me with my questions or the problems I've had. But this one situation, the technician I was talking to didn't have an answer. And I went on my own and reset the settings, and that took care of it. So just remember that resetting your device can take care of some of the problems that you'll have. Well, thanks for joining me here on Hiking Emergency Beacon. Hope you enjoyed the tip, and I'll see you back out here in the next video.